In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to present your Canva project offline so you can showcase your work anytime, anywhere, regardless of your internet connection. We understand that there might be situations where you don't have access to a stable internet connection, but you still need to deliver a presentation. Thankfully, Canva provides a solution that allows you to prepare for such instances. To begin, you'll need to open Canva on your device. Once you're logged in, navigate over to your projects. Here, you should see all the wonderful work you've created. Now, take a moment to find the specific project you want to present offline. This could be anything from a business proposal to a creative portfolio. If you've got everything organized, locating your project should be a breeze. Once you've landed on the right project, focus your attention on the three dots that you'll find with your project overview. By clicking on these three dots, a range of options will appear. What we're interested in for this tutorial is the option titled Enable Offline Presenting. Go ahead and select it. This essential step will ensure that your chosen project is stored on your device, ready to be accessed without internet. It's like a digital safety net that'll keep your presentation accessible and hassle-free. This feature is particularly useful if you're traveling in an area with spotty internet or even just want the reassurance of having everything ready at your fingertips. Once you've enabled this option, you'll need to temporarily disconnect from your internet connection to see the magic happen. Now, I'll be disconnecting my internet to show you the next part of the process. So, once your internet is turned off, you'll notice that most of your projects will disappear from view. Don't be alarmed, this is exactly what happens when you're offline. But remember, since you enabled offline presenting for your specific project, it remains available and visible. Now, simply click on that offline enabled project. Voila! You're ready to present even without an internet connection. This ensures that nothing can get in the way when you need to showcase your work. With your project handy and fully accessible, you can navigate through your presentation smoothly, engaging your audience without any interruptions. This simple yet effective feature is just one of the many ways Canva helps you stay prepared, no matter where you are. Remember, ensuring your project is available offline takes just a few clicks, yet gives you the flexibility and confidence to present anytime, anywhere. Thanks for following along with this tutorial. I hope it enhances your Canva experience and empowers you to make the most of your presentations without worrying about internet availability.